In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear storage here on your PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To get started, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen, and what you're going to want to do is type run and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and type in prefetch, spelled exactly like this, and hit enter, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. If it does say you don't have access, just hit continue, and it's going to take you to the page anyways. This will work as long as you have administrator rights, and you're now going to see a ton of different files in here, and believe me, there is a ton of them. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is actually hit Control A on your keyboard to highlight all of these, and then go up to the very top and hit delete. Now if a message pops up saying some files can't be deleted, just go ahead and hit skip on those files and everything else will be deleted. Go ahead and close out of this and then open up run again. And once you open up run again, this time what you're going to want to go ahead and do is type in temp, spelled exactly like that, hit enter, and you're going to want to pretty much do the exact same thing. Hit Control A on your keyboard, delete up at the very top, and then skip anything that it won't let you delete, just like so. Once you do that, close out of this, and this time go back to the search bar and type in defragment and optimize drives and open it up. From here, you can optimize your drives to help your PC run more efficiently. This step can take a while depending on how much storage you have, so feel free to skip it if you want. But finally, after you do that, go back down and type in disk cleanup this time, hit enter, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Simply go ahead and hit your main drive, which is going to be that C drive on here, which mine automatically opens up. And you're going to see a temporary file as well as a recycle bin. Essentially, go ahead and select all the recycle bin, whatever it might be, thumbnails, for example, download program files, just hit OK, and it's going to delete all these files that are unnecessary. Once again, this may take a little bit depending on how much you have to clean, but after it does that, you've successfully cleared all the storage here on your PC. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.